We will not use a reflow technique. We will use solder reballing technique. Friends, welcome back to my channel. We are replacing microphone in this Vivo S1 Pro mobile phone. That microphone is on this motherboard. I removed this microphone using hot air and we will install using reballing technique. We will not use a reflow technique. We will use solder reballing technique. This microphone was not working good, so we are replacing it. In the removal process, my camera stopped working. It could not start video. Vivo S1 Pro or Vivo 1920 uses two microphones. One microphone in the charging board and second in the motherboard. Motherboard near audiophone socket. Clean it using desoldering wick. We will not use too much alcohol or we will not use too much soldering paste or soldering flux. Flux. I will use soldering paste. We will mix in this soldering flux. I will add some more flux. I set temperature 240 degrees Celsius on hot air. We can see we are making balls. I will use double face tape. Now we will need special care here. We will not allow too much heat and we will not apply too much soldering flux here. If flux or soldering paste will enter in this microphone, it will damage. I will use toothpick and I will take a very little amount of this flux and we will apply to these dots. Now we will take small balls from here . It is called reballing technique. Heat up soldering iron at 230 degrees Celsius. Now it is ready to install on PCB. And I will apply small amount of flux here on these dots to preheat it. Now we will preheat the PCB. I set temperature 250 degrees Celsius. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, mic testing. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Yes, that's great. There is no noise. Hello, mic testing. Great. Now we will check recording. Because in video recording it uses two microphones. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. Hello. As in video recording it uses two microphones. Perfect. Hello, mic testing 1. That's great. Hello. If you enjoyed this process, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.